Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. What applies on Amazon can be partially applied on eBay as well. This is the case when it comes to so-called hero images. We already learned how hero images differ from classic product images with the necessary information they contain in the empty space around the product itself. This makes the shopping experience for the smartphone generation easier. A phone screen has less space to include most information, which makes the customer to constantly scroll down. That's not exactly user-friendly. Instead, it would be better to include a variety of information within just one image, so that the customer doesn't need to scroll down to the description. Here's a checklist with the following 4 questions that hero images should answer in the best case. What's the brand behind the product? Brands establish trust, stand for quality, and stand out from no-name products. What is it about? Whether you're selling a phone, flashlight, or razor, your image should clearly show the product without the need of a text. How do I use it? Specific instructions for the use of your product often raise the unique selling proposition of the product. How much is available? This is not about the quantity of your listing, but the quantity included in your product. For example, 60 pills per package, or 100 grams for a bar of soap. Finally, we give some tips on how to make your hero images. For additional material, besides the product itself, we're using the websites Pixabay and Unsplash. To bring everything together, the best free Photoshop alternative would be Canva. Using Canva, you can add different pictures, graphics, and texts. With some basic design knowledge, you can transform everything into your hero image in a short time. If you don't know how to design your image, you can seek some references to get ideas and apply them to your own image. Also, search to find a suitable font, and soon you will reach your goal. If you'd rather concentrate on more important tasks of your business and let someone else take care of your design, then feel free to contact eBakery. Link is in the description. Also, make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss our next videos on this topic, your eBakery team.